कपड़े कई इंडस्ट्री के आपके दोस्तों तक भी पहुंचे थे, उनके कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स भी आए होंगे।
हाँ
कोई पर्टिकुलर कॉम्प्लीमेंट जो याद आता हो आज?
रिया, मैं और शॉपर स्टॉप ने वी मेड श्योर कि हर जो इंडस्ट्री में जो भी लड़कियां हैं, हमारे जो भी दोस्त हैं, जो भी फैशन एडिटर्स हैं, प्रेस में जो भी हैं, हमने उन सबको रीजन के कपड़े भेजे और हमने कभी किसी को नहीं कहा कि ये पोस्ट कीजिए। उन सब ने अपने आप पोस्ट किया है क्योंकि उन्हें पता है कि हम जो भी काम करते हैं वो हम स्पेशली व्हेन इट कम्स टू फैशन हम दिल से करते हैं और ये हमारे लिए एक मॉनेटरी, आई मीन वी ऑल वांट टू मेक मनी गोवन, बट ये हमारे लिए
गोवन स्माइल
पर ये हमारे इट्स नॉट अबाउट मनी, इट्स नॉट अबाउट सेलिंग, इट इज अबाउट saying, it's about passion, it's about saying that there is no reason that you can't do anything. You can do whatever you set, especially for girls and women out there. There is no reason you can't do anything. There's every reason to just look forward and be empowered, and that is the whole idea also behind Reason.
Thank you. Yes, ma'am.
Hi, Riya. Hi, Sonam. Hisha here.
Hi.
First of all, congratulations on Reason.
Thank you.
We've all seen the collection, and I have this one question that I want to know personally. Out of everything that you guys have made for all the other girls out there, which one's your favorite? Like one outfit that you and Riya both love the most?
I honestly really like the saris, but because we made it for young Indian girls, it's a little short
Indian
for
girl
me.
is 5'6".
Yeah, I like Indian girl sizes. I'm just a giant human being. So we're going to hopefully make clothes for tall girls also. Yeah, but I love everything. For me, the denim is amazing. I'm not somebody who's ever been comfortable wearing denim. And we made it so that the jeans fit just a little high enough. You know how we don't like wearing, Indian girls really don't like wearing low-rise jeans, right? So they're high-rise and they're stretchy, so nothing like comes out
and
oozes out. They hold you. I'm sorry guys, too much information. But I really like the jeans and I love my mom's jacket. It's called the mom's jacket. It's been inspired by my mom's old jacket and I really like that. So yeah.
So I love the palazzo sari, what I'm wearing right now. Basically, I love wearing saris because I'm a curvier girl, and I just feel like more younger in them and I just feel sexier in them. But because, you go out to a sangeet and you have a couple of drinks or whatever, and then you end up stepping on your sari and it ends up unraveling and you look like a mess and the pictures are bad and, it's just a disaster. Cyrus knows.
Yes,
I've told him to untag me in several pictures.
Yeah.
Just kidding. But I'm saying that, when you're traveling, you're going to go out with your friends, you're going for a tash party in Diwali or whatever, you don't want to ask someone to drape your sari, you don't want to deal with it. So the palazzo sari, it's literally just pants. You put it on, you zip it up, and you throw your pallo over.
Guys, by the way.
It's the easiest.
And there's a zip here, and you just take this and you just put it
It's just like
2
wearing a loose trouser that looks like a feminine sari. It's my dream come true in an outfit.
I love
because
wearing
I am really, I'm a tomboy, I'm clumsy, I'm just and I wear sneakers half the time. I'm all about comfort. So I love that. And that's going to be a constant in all our collections because, looking beautiful should be easy also. It can't always be so complicated. And the second thing I would say, I also love the jeans, but the contemporary Indian, which is like the Mogra and the Mithai collection, are my favorite because I feel they're the most inventive. And, you don't always want to overdress when you go to an Indian occasion, like a puja or, a Diwali party or even Holi or something like this. You don't want to always create, because you're modern, urban girls, right? You want to go to work and then maybe you want to go to a party.
If you guys want to wear, the Mithai print has this beautiful, tunics with churidars and stuff like that.
And they can all be worn with jeans and jackets and things like that. So, yeah, I feel like that's my favorite part. And I just like all the pieces of the collection that feel like they have
I
attitude.
like everything.
I love everything.
Yeah. Thank you.
Sonam, hi, it's Ankita.
Hi, Ankita.
First of all, congratulations for Reason.
Thank you.
And Cannes 2017 is just round the corner.
We're leaving tomorrow.
You're leaving tomorrow and you're walking the red carpet on 21st and 22nd. So how excited you are, first of all, and how do we see Sonam this year? Along with this, Deepika Padukone is also making her debut in
Yeah.
Cannes under the same brand L'Oreal Paris.
Yes.
So
L'Oreal Paris, are we allowed to say that?
L'Oreal Paris, I mentioned. So, any advice or any wishes you would like to give her?
I mean, I hope she has a good time. Because I don't think I should be giving advice to someone who has already walked several international red carpets. I just believe in being myself, and honestly, my sister styles me. We haven't actually prepped that much this time because we had a brand that we were launching. I'm shooting for 2 films. She's making a film called Veere the Wedding. And for the past couple of years, we decided not to pressurize ourselves and just have a good time, and we've got the best reviews because of it. So we don't think about it too much. It's not about the status quo, status symbol of being on the red carpet. We're going for a brand. If it was a movie, I would be like, oh my God, I'm so stressed out. I'm going to faint on the red carpet. Can I go in my pajamas? But because it's for a makeup brand and it's something that I really enjoy doing, it's about looking beautiful. And you can only look beautiful if you're happy inside and if you are confident. And that is, again, something that is very empowering. And that's what my sister and I are trying to promote through our brand and through every appearance that we make, that it's okay to be yourself.
Hi.
Sonam ji.
Hi, congratulations to you all.
Thank you.
As you're talking about your teenage memories actually, तो कभी ऐसा कोई memory है जहाँ पर आप लोग inspired हुए तो कोई actress is seeing their clothes on the
Karishma Kapoor in Dil To Pagal Hai.
Karishma Kapoor.
Oh my God, Lolo
she was
in Dil
so
To
hot.
Pagal Hai is my all-time. She's my fashion icon.
I think Urmila and Rangila.
Yeah, Urmila and Rangila is so
Urmila
hot.
and Rangila was amazing. I mean, ये तो 90s के films हैं. I know बहुत मुझे कहना चाहिए वहीदा रहमान, रेखा and all वो बहुत खूबसूरत, you know, but वो बहुत ही Indian. But I used to like Nutan. वो trousers पहनती थी और बहुत ही खूबसूरत लगती थी. And she wore so yeah, Sharmila Tagore, Nutan. But अगर हम 90s के बारे में बात करें, so even Raveena Tandon in that song, you know, oh Shilpa Shetty and Akshay Kumar in that song.
Chura ke
Dil Mera.
But have you ever tried like to copy them? I mean, you go to a tailor and tell them I want this particular dress. ऐसे कभी
मैं जब भी 13 साल की थी 14 साल की थी अगर मेरी मम्मी को कहा कि
18-19 years.
no 18 years old मैं already acting कर रही थी तब तक.
या फिर कभी ऐसे ट्राई किया हो कि I want this particular dress इस तरह का डिजाइन किया
No,
हो?
I thought that if I can get an outfit like Lolo, I'm gonna look so cool. But it was a mess.
No हम लोग नहीं कर सकते. हाँ करिश्मा has a
I'm not
very
sure.
different body type to
The
me.
picture and